Hey everyone, it's Justin here with Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned RV superstore. Behind me is a 2017 Primetime Sanibel. This is the 3750 model. This is a perfect example of what our company does by sourcing our units from all around the country, reconditioning them to as close to new as physically possible, and then passing that value on to you, our customers. So let's take a tour of it. This is, as I mentioned, the 3750 model of the Primetime Sanibel. You've got your hitch here. This is basic mount here, hooking up for your truck. It is a fifth wheel. If you can swing down under here, I know it's a little bit hard to get under, but I'm going to show you just a couple things here. You got your nice storage in here, as well as your compartment for your batteries there, but all metal there, so you're not going to get rocks kicking up that are going to ruin your compartment. So it's a really nice feature. This is a super high-end model as well. Off to this side here, you got a little plug in there, and we're going to swing on this way. A couple interesting things on this. You are all fiberglass, super well built. Like I said, this is a very high-end model, very well insulated. This is going to be your fill for your hydraulic jacks here. So touch of a button, this thing is going to self-level, so it's very easy, very simple to operate once you get to your camping spot. Moving back here, we're going to move to our pass-through storage. Something I'll show you with these particular latches. No more are you having to hang them and risk breaking the plastic. Everything is magnetic, so very simple, one touch, but this is your pass-through storage area. If you notice here, you can fit everything and a kitchen sink if you tried. You do have this nice little mount here. So if you should want to put an outdoor television, you just go ahead and slide that right on here. And then up in here, you also have a stereo, so you can plug in your tunes, listen to it on your outdoor speakers out here. So this thing is definitely fully equipped. I'm going to close that down. And I will point out the elegant frameless windows here. These are super nice to have, especially up here in the Pacific Northwest. Those are basically going to open out from the bottom up, so you can have those open in or on a rainy day. Above everything, you'll notice this giant awning here. This is all electric, so you'll be able to run that in and out with the touch of a button. Moving back here, you do have your hot water heater there. That is propane and electric. And then you have a 110 duplex here to plug in anything outdoors. Moving back here, you got your nice stairs. When you're not using these and you've got this thing stored, these stairs are going to basically just fold up, be out of the way. Everything will be nice and wrapped up for you. You do have this nice handle. Goes in and out. That way when you're in transit, you can have it down. But while you're camping, you got a nice little grip, get you up into the coach. We are working with dual axles back here, so extra stability. Something else I will mention, this entire unit is wrapped underneath, so you've got basically 4-season camping and campability with this unit. You do notice you got a slide on this side, some really nice tall windows. It's going to give you that natural daylight inside, and this unit does come with your slide topper, and that's going to protect your slide mechanism from debris, moisture, anything that could potentially clog up your slide there. So real quick, we're going to swing on to the other side. Just a couple things I want to point out. Oh, something else I should have mentioned also. You do have a solid one-piece cap up front. That's going to be very good as far as durability. Not going to have to worry about as many seals on this unit. Over here, just real quick, 2 more slides. It's going to open up the living quarters on the inside. We'll show you that here in a moment, but this is what I wanted to show you here. You have your dual propane tanks here. Both of those are going to be 7 gallons. Here at Johnson RV, we do send you out with totally full propane tanks so you can head straight to your camping spot. And then on this side, you do have all your waterworks here, and the reason I open this up is so you can see this. You do have a hot and cold outdoor shower, spray off the sand off your toes after a day at the beach or pet's paws after a hike. All your plumbing, your cable. You've got a black tank flush in here, so you can get all those solids flushed out of your tank. You won't have any smell inside the coach itself. And then you also have just your basic dumps for your gray tanks, as well as your black tank there. One last thing I will show you before we head in. Here's going to be your sewer tube here to hook up when you're hooked up at the campsite. And then of course, because this is the service side, this is where your shore power is going to be connected. So join me on the inside. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Whoa, baby, this thing is nicer than my house. We are standing inside the 2017 Primetime Sanibel. This is the 3750 model, and I'm not kidding you guys, this is absolute luxury. I'm standing here, this is a rear kitchen model, and this kitchen is absolutely ginormous. As you can see here, we do have solid surface countertops, complete flush mounted sink. I mean, this thing is Loctite. I am going to pull this up just to show you this. You've got a farm style deep basin sink here with your stainless steel gooseneck faucet. This guy is going to pull out. You'll be able to rinse your dishes just like you do at home. Does have a spray function on there as well. Put this back together really quick. Up above, solid cabinetry, super deep for all your goods, you know, plates, cups, food storage, that sort of thing. Nice elegant storage up here with your glass, and then a nice big stainless steel microwave there. That is a residential microwave, super big. Up here you do have your 3-burner propane stovetop to all your stove cooking, and then this unit also comes with a very large camping oven there. Tons more storage. You've got drawers galore, just like you'd have at home. Now, this particular model has a residential Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer situation. I mean, this is just like you'd have at home. This is going to ensure that your camping trips are as long as you need them to be. Off to this side here, you have a full pantry. And when I say full, I mean I can fit inside. Just imagine how much food you're going to be able to fit in there. We're going to work our way back into the living area. Notice that we've got a nice big flat screen television. This is made by Summit. Beneath you've got your Sony DVD player, and this unit does come equipped with sound bar built in, all by Sony, as well as your fireplace below. So really gives you the feel of being at home. You notice all the accented woodwork as well. Absolutely gorgeous. You do have a nice 4-person table and chairs here for dining needs. You do have some lights up above. This whole unit that we've been looking at here is in a slide mechanism. We are on opposing slides, so it just makes the space in here feel absolutely humongous. Over here, you've got the his and hers reclining chairs. Ultra leather, touch of a button, you're going to be able to kick these seats back, hang out, relax, enjoy the tube, enjoy the fire, you know, keep you out of the rain, that sort of thing. Kick it back this way. Up here, this is the entryway. You walk in, you got this nice little storage here for your hats, your coats, anything that you might have with you. And follow me up to the bedroom area. Nice carpeted bedroom coming into the landing here. Before we get all the way in, I'm just going to open this up just so you can see. Another storage area. Kind of the name of the game is tons and tons of storage. This here, you guys, this is a door. I can completely shut you off, have all the privacy in the world back here. It is my own private bathroom, or bedroom. But let's take a look at the bathroom. Full-size bathroom. Dry bath. You do have porcelain toilet. Nice solid surface countertops for your sink area there. Tons of storage below. You get a nice elegant medicine cabinet here with custom lighting up above. And then inside you've got a full shower here with wand here. It's movable. And then I am about 6 feet tall. You can see how much headroom I have in this. So a completely functional bathroom situation here in this unit. So we're going to cruise back to the bedroom. You have a king-size bed here. Plenty of space. You do have a nightstand on that side, and then you have tons of storage here. Flat screen TV to be able to look at from your bed. And then back here, this is really to ensure your camping trips are going to be super long. You have a built-in all-in-one washer dryer already hooked up, ready to go for you. And then tons and tons of closet space here. Just like your closet at home, you've got a bar to hang everything. And then inside here, you also have an additional dresser to be able to store extra clothes. So tons and tons of space in this unit. I know you're going to have a lot more questions, so please call us here at Johnson RV. My name is Justin, and our number is 253-286-0833. Talk to you soon.